In June 1959, the daughter of the late Ivan George Leopold Douglas and Edma Laura Douglas made her debut into the world. As she grew up, Joy developed a passion for the built environment and would enter the male-dominated world of urban planning and construction. She carved out a career that earned her the reputation of being one of the movers and shakers in Jamaica's evolving urban planning landscape.
I'm Joy Eleanor Douglas. Started my professional career at the Ministry of National Security, Military Administration, then went on to the Ministry of Construction Housing, went off to undertake my professional degrees in Urban and Regional Planning. I'm a Master of Urban and Regional Planning, University of Pittsburgh, Graduate School of Public and International Affairs, 1984.
On her return to Jamaica, following graduate studies, Ms. Douglas took up employment with the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica as a geographer planner, before going off to co-establish the Jamaica Conservation and Development Trust. As one of its founders and first executive directors, Joy Douglas worked as a consultant for many years to the government and other international and regional bodies. After that, she was asked by the government to become the senior planner for the Highway 2000 Corridor Development Plan.
I am the Portmore to Clarendon Park Highway 2000 Corridor Development Plan architect, and the country can see what has happened with that development.
Joy Douglas continued her quest of making development happen when she accepted a request to serve as general manager at the Urban Development Corporation, UDC.
I've also undertaken significant work at the Urban Development Corporation, completing numerous projects. The most significant of which I would say is the Montego Bay Convention Center, which it was a project undertaken with the government of China. I also completed the Montego Bay Sports Complex, the Port Maria Civic Center, upgrading at Duns River Falls, refurbishing of the Jamaica Conference Center, and numerous other projects.
Her role in the decision-making process has been integral in meeting the goals of the new urban agenda for land use management and holistic development. Land use changes and zoning for Montego Bay, in which she was involved, resulted in much of the Barnett Estate development with outlay of business process outsourcing facilities, among others.
We, of course, also started to look at the redevelopment and further upgrading of orchards. The Cape Manus development is also a significant part of my work. But I would say that those would be some of the more significant achievements.
Joy Douglas's work in urban and regional development has not gone unnoticed. In 2020, the Jamaican government awarded her the National Honor of Order of Distinction OD Officer Class.
One always is pleased, you're always pleased to be recognized for anything that you have done from your own countrymen. And so from that standpoint, I accept this award humbly. I have a passion for my profession, which tells a lot about my personality, the matter of planning and making people's lives better. And I also believe very strongly in youth, in having to plan for them. It has only helped to increase my determination to continue to make a contribution to making Jamaica a better place, because our young people deserve the best.
Joy Douglas continues to serve in various capacities, but primarily as an advisor to the government, as she advances her role in helping to realize Vision 2030, making Jamaica the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business.